Within Contact Center Productivity, there are now 4 separate options for live information. The first option is the Contact Wallboard. The Contact Wallboard gives you a live view over the whole business. The Total section shows calls waiting, the longest wait time and the current grade of service for the whole business. The middle section will switch between a call summary giving a view over the whole business and a user summary giving a granular view over the individual agents. The bottom section displays the live call information, showing which agents are on calls, whether they are incoming or outgoing, the extension and the DDI called, the caller ID, call status and current time in the status. Within the ACD wallboard, you are able to see information around individual queues. The ACD wallboard displays the following call statistics for a selected group: calls offered, calls answered, calls missed with an average ring time. It will show you what agents are busy, how many calls you have in the queue, with the longest queue time and an average queue time, how many staffed agents you have and how many of those are available, how many are unavailable, and how many are busy. The total calls offered, answered and missed are displayed for a period of 30 minutes. For example, statistics at 11 AM are removed and updated with the statistics for 11:30 AM. In Group View, you will be able to view your call queues, who is ringing, who's on a call, who's available, and many other statuses. Group Performance allows you to take an overview of the groups within your business. Your filter options allow you to select a date and time. Once you've done that, select the group you wish to view. You will then see the screen broken into 5 sections. The top section is a call summary. This gives you an overview of calls into the group, looking at how many calls were presented, answered, missed, and how many were overflow calls. Your callback performance is the next section, showing how many calls are still unreturned, how many have been returned, and a donut chart showing the percentage of calls returned within target. The call performance section shows talk time as a total and an average, and the time of the first and last call. Next you come to the callback action list. This displays clients awaiting a callback with number, the group they called, the DDI, time of call, their missed call count and their waiting period. If you have imported a customer directory in configuration, it will also display their contact name and status. The final section is a granular view of all the agents assigned to the group, looking at how many calls each agent has been offered, answered, how many were bounced, their total and average talk time, and the time of their first and last call.